Hello students, I am Arushi Talreja and today we will discuss chapter number 4, Objects in Word 2013. Students, you know that Word 2000 allows you to insert not only text, tables in a document, but we can insert word art, pictures, text boxes, shapes, etc. In this chapter, we will discuss how to insert word art, how to insert text boxes, and how to insert shapes. Okay, now we will see in practical. See, children. First, open MS Word, click on Insert tab. Okay, click on when you will click on Insert tab, select Word Art. Okay, now this text box will appear. Write here any text you want to write. Word Art. Now, how to change the font size, color of this text? Only double click on word art, then one tab will appear, format tab. In format tab lots of features are there like colors, color tab, direction, wrap text, alignment, shape outline, edit shape. You can change the shape also. See, click on only edit shape. Okay, suppose I want to change the word handwriting, word size. Select the word and click on size button. Okay, now I want to change alignment. Select the text and click on alignment. Now text outline. See, this is the text outline. We can change text outline also. Now shape fill. Okay, shape fill, shape outline, shape effects we can also change. Text outline, see, word art change into different colors like this. Okay, click on text effects also. Now how to change shape direction? See, four handles are there like this. We can only rotate the handle, automatically text will rotate like this. Okay, this is the text direction. Okay children, now we will do align text. Text direction means देखो, अगर आपको टेक्स्ट का डायरेक्शन चाहिए स्ट्रेट, स्लिपिंग, रोटेट 90 डिग्री, we can do also. Align text, top, middle, bottom. Okay, this is the word art. Now we will do how to insert text box in Word. Okay, a text box can be useful if you want to draw reader's attention to a specific text. Now we will see how to insert text box in Word 2013. Okay, click on Insert tab, select text box and next draw text box. Now place the cursor at the position where you want to insert a text box. Okay, drag the text box. See, one text box will appear. Now here we will write anything like eat healthy, be healthy. Okay, eat healthy, be healthy. Okay, now how to format the text box? See, now again same like word art, double click on text box, one tab will appear, format tab in last. Okay, this is the format tab and we can apply all of features same like word art. Okay, like how to change text box, how to edit shape of the text box. We can change like this. Okay, we can change the shape of text box also. Okay children, like direction change, shape outline, shape effect, same like word art we can change text box also. Fill color, shape outline, shape effects. See, this is the effects of shape. Okay, now how to edit shape, change shape. We can also change, or here lots of shapes are there. We can insert and we can change shape also. Okay. Now text effects. Okay, same like word art, we can change handwriting also. Now text effects. See, last is no fill, colors, more fill colors, etc. Okay children, here all features are there. You can change any shape, you can change any shapes, handwriting, size, color you want. Okay, now text effects. Last is ट्रांसफॉर्म. ओके, जहाँ से हम कोई भी डायरेक्शन चेंज कर सकते हैं टेक्स्ट की. ओके, दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द टेक्स्ट. क्लिक ऑन text effects, last transform like this. Here lots of directions are there. Select any direction. This is the text box and how to change the shape of text. Okay children.